going to create a chemical reaction. That's when you take two different chemicals and you combine them together to create a new one. The ones we're using today is vinegar and baking soda to blow up these hard balloons.
So like, are we baking soda and putting it in these balloons?
No. Instead of talking about it, I'll show you. But first, we got to get ready for science. Before you do any experiments, you want to make sure you have your PPE, personal protective equipment. So, come on, Ben, let's get suited up.
Okay. Let's do it all together now. 3, 2, 1. It's wonder time!
Just to make sure you're safe, your PPE consists of your glasses, your gloves, and your lab coat. And you're ready for science. So a couple of things that you'll need for the experiment are either a small bottle, a large bottle, a funnel, and of course you have your baking soda and vinegar. So in the event that you don't have a funnel like this, you can use an old piece of cardboard or paper to make one. Let me show you how. So basically you'll want to fold it like a cone shape. Turn it. And then, there you go. You got yourself a funnel.
That was simple.
Exactly. Now it's time for the experiment. So first, what you guys want to do is take your empty bottles and fill them with some vinegar. Now, this is where our funnel comes into play. Now stick your funnel into the bottle. Now, we're going to take our vinegar and we're going to pour it in. Now, the more vinegar that you pour into the bottle, the more of a reaction that you get. So we're going to test this in two different ways. We're going to fill our big bottle with about that much. We're going to fill our little one with a little bit, just to see how it works.
Oh, I know why it looks like it has more. Because it's smaller. Now this one has more. The reason you did pour it at the even height. It's just that this one is smaller, so it would look like it had less.
Now, we're going to use this same funnel to put the baking soda directly into the balloons. That way, you kind of minimize the amount of mess. But make sure before you do that, you rinse this baby off and get all the vinegar off of it. So, if you don't mind, can you go rinse that off?
Okay.
Thank you. Just like so. And we're going to take our baking soda and we're going to put a little bit in there, like so. Now, we're going to tap it to work that baking soda down in there. See how it's all filled up now? Once you make sure that it's all in, voila.
Okay.
Now here comes the fun part. We're gonna clamp these balloons over top of the bottles. And then once they're on there, we're gonna dump them inside and see what happens. Ready?
Pretty sure I'm ready.
We're gonna take it, we're gonna clamp it over top like so. And, are you ready?
Yes.
I'll let you do the honors. Pick up the balloon and dump it over in there.
Oh, something's happening. Wow, that's easy.
Once it's done, the chemical reaction has created CO2, which is carbon dioxide. That's the gas that humans expel from their bodies. We breathe in oxygen and we shoot out CO2. Let's see what happens with this one. Alright, here we go. There you go. The honors are yours. Hold on, let me make sure this is really good. Alright, let's go. It's going and going. How big it gets, nobody knows. Shake it up. There we go. I want to shake it up even more. There we go. Whoa! You guys seeing this? Look at that. So you get it all in there. Yep, it's already expanded. Make sure you hold it tight. Give it a little shake. As you guys can see, you can use the same vinegar multiple times before it gets completely diluted.
Oh, make sure to try this with a parent or an adult.
Oh yeah, good point. Don't do this alone. There's a lot of chemicals and stuff that you don't want to be breathing in or drinking. So make sure you have a parent around to help you with this. So as you can see, once again, smaller bottle equals smaller balloon. Bigger bottle equals bigger balloon.
I don't think you should be shaking that up without a lid.
Like I said, guys, PPE. When you take these balloons off of the bottles, it pops and gets everywhere. Alright, now that we've done this experiment, me and Ben here have got some balloons that we gotta blow up for a party. So we'll see you guys after we're done.
And see you next time, folks.